Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author, and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making a phirni. Phirni, kheer, all these Indian desserts are usually made with milk. But today I'm going to make it vegan friendly. So for which I have got basmati rice. I've soak it for about half an hour and blended it into a paste like this. So how we're going to start is, so I'll put coconut milk. Before I switch on the flame, I'll add the blended rice paste, add sugar. Now I'm going to switch on the flame, medium to low, and whisk it. Cook till you get the nice custard-like consistency. So now we've got a perfect consistency here. So we plate this. Traditionally, phirni is set and served in these earthen cups called kulhars or shikoras. You can serve it in any dessert cups if you don't have these. We garnish this with chopped pistachios, some cardamom powder, sprinkle on top of the pistachios, saffron which I've soaked here, just a dot of saffron, some edible rose petals, absolutely optional. Here you go, our vegan phirni is ready. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. I'll be back again with some more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon. Do like, share and subscribe. This is Sarab Kapoor. See you soon again.